pa-identify siya na kung asa ang main bridge, asa ang approach bridge.
Yeah, before probably we will identify. I'll have to introduce first technical people who are into the management. No? In my right is the consultant, like Ramos, and to my left is Engineer Galorio, the head of the project management team of the DPWH Central Office. Mr. Cho is also the consultant of project manager. Of course, our handsome Vice Mayor of Tangub City, and Mr. Kim, the Deputy Project Manager of the contractor, of course, our provincial engineer, our local official. So, sa atong meeting karon sa multi-barangay monitoring team, no, na nag-assist sa sitwasyon karon sa atong ongoing bridge Panguil Bay Bridge construction. So as reported, nasa 89 point something, close to 90%, no, accomplishment. And then, ako lang iklaro, because in the last meeting, ako naanaw, na by March, mahuman na, and then by June, ma-operation na. Tungkol sa mga technical and weather challenges. No, so, ngayon, ang atong contractor, si Mr. K, na mamove instead of June to second week of August. The bridge will be open. You focus the camera to the, he is meaning he understand our Cebuano language. Okay, now the total the bridge are divided into different components.
Yes, sir.
The main bridge, yeah, that's the main bridge. No, nasa sentro, no? That is only 320 meters. Okay? That main bridge connected to a approach bridge. No? The approach bridge coming from Tangub City, no? Misamis Occidental. This is 1.02 kilometers. No? So, katong gilakwan ko ganyan, that's 1.02 kilometers. And the approach bridge, Lanao del Norte side is 900 meters. No? So, the total length of the bridge, 320 from the main bridge, plus 900 because sa Lanao del Norte nga side, so that's 1.2 kilometers. No, first is the Lanao side, 320 plus 900 the other side, so that's only 1.2. Okay, now plus the 1.02 of the miss off side, so that becomes 2.24 kilometers. That's the total length of the bridge above water.
The longest bridge.
Yeah. The longest bridge, no? Above sea level, over the sea. Okay? So, this bridge now, over the sea, is connected to the land area through an approach road. The approach road, not only sa side sa Tangub, is 360 meters. And the approach road of the Lanao del Norte side is 569. So the 2.204 main bridge plus 360 approach, so that will be 2.5 kilometers, 2.504 kilometers plus 560, so that will be 3.169, no? Kilometers. So, muna ang total length sa atong bridge na nabuak into that segment. So, atong accomplishment, ang atong approach bridge coming from Misamis side, 21 kulang. Ano is?
The main bridge.
On the other side, sa Lanao del Norte, from the Tangub Bridge
The main bridge.
ang kulang is 58 meters. Tubod sa mo, kung mahuman eh,
Magsumpay na.
nagsumpay na ang bridge above the sea. No? Main bridge plus the approach bridge. Katong 2.204 kilometers. So, ang kulang na yun, ang iwason, unang na ang approach road sa mismo o sa Lanao na side, which the contractors, Mr. K, committed na mahuman na namin ang they are now working on two shifting. No? So our consultant, Mr. No, he looks handsome just like the Korean artist in Manila, si Kim Chu. No? So they're working two shifting every day to complete it at least not later than June, and then once this thing, then this will be open to the public by second week of Muna yung status ka rin sa atong balay.
Para sa mga neighbor na naglang live kasi significant hindi ka man na as part of kasi significant
Well, I will speak on the significance on the mismo side.
yes sir.
Because this bridge is our collaboration with the leadership also of Lanao del Norte, Governor Panguil Bay We were together, we were both congressmen at that time when, during the conceptualization of the bridge. We were both working hard for the realization of this. Now, to Misamis Occidental, malaki ang impact sa amin. Una, this is now the bridge that connects our province to all the regions in Mindanao, to the capital of the state, Pagkanaog Memorial sa Lanao del Norte, pahingong us sa Cagayan de Oro, then that will bring us to Butuan, and then that will bring us to Region 11, Davao region. Okay? Kung limanong ka, paingon ka sa Sultanaga de Mapuro, that will connect us to Lanao del Sur, to Narciso Reyes Highway, Narciso Ramos Highway, no? So that will connect us Gawin to Tabat, Lanao del Sur, to Tabat, no? So wala ang atong shortcut go, as I said, connectivity of Misamis Occidental to all the regions in Mindanao. So madali na ito tayo pag let's say, economic and business undertaking. Because on the other hand, all the people, the residents, the businessmen, the other regions, no, muna yung kani ang bridge naghatag og access nila sa Misamis. Example, no, ang mga produkto sa Lanao del Sur, ang ibig in the bar, madala ko na ito. Ang kaning nga bridge, lessen the cost of their logistics sa ilang produkto. Kadadon nito sa Manila. Why? Kay kung ang barko kargahan sa ilang mga produkto sa Cotabato, going to Manila, ulibot pa na paingon dito sa Davao. No? So it takes number of hours. While kung dadto na nila, kay gwapo na muna kasada with this bridge, paingon dito sa Misamis Port, that will shorten the road and reduce the cost of logistics, no? Sa ilang produkto. Which in return, nakatabang sa movement sa ekonomiya natin din. So, example lang na, which wala pa rin, what did they access nito? No? Sa Lanao del Sur at sa Bangsamoro region. In December, there will now be a business link, no, an economic undertakings between both regions and Misamis Occidental. So, in terms of tourism, okay, so mostly of the tourists coming here in Region 10, Cagayan de Oro, Pagkaraw sa Cagayan de Oro, matutugin nun, then going to the westward, so ama na siligan, dili na kayo maabot sa tungod kay Mandayo. I mean, the connectivity is not 24 hours. So, with this now, maapil na ta sa tourism link, no, sa tourist destination. Kadaw ang tourist kaya, so doon na sa access to this Panguil Bay Bridge ay so, iyon ana kadako. And even in the field of education, now, this will now increase the make Misamis Occidental, Tangub City, Misamis City as an educational center of this part of Mindanao, northern and the Zamboanga Peninsula. Ang mga peninsula na ito sa Lanao del Norte residents dahil 24-hour connectivity. Gani karon nga wala pa ning bridge dagan matag mga estudyante sa Tangub nga taga Lanao. Okay? So, paingon dito sa Misamis City. So, iyon na ang dako ng impact sa atong probinsya with the completion and operationalization of this
madumduman ko na 45 as magnified as you are there. Na-conceptualize. Matod pa rin mo, we have to revisit this plan, this Panguil Bay Bridge. How do you feel all those things?
I recall that was 2013 after my election as niingon. So, ang Sadain sa ako katagan o abinsya na mag-revisit ang policies sa realized niining ng Panguil Bay. That was 11 years. Yeah. Because we are now 2004, 2024, that was 2013. Now, sa natang-aw ko,
Gibati naman na.
medyo ang atong kalipay, ay balok ko sa kalipay sa at least that satisfied. So, na-realize na yun. No? Kaya this Panguil Bay Bridge was the train of our forefathers. Now, it is no longer a train. So, it becomes a reality. So, masalamat na realize sa, of course, ubay-ubay ang naging anay. That started with the late President Pinoy. I remember he mentioned when I presented this to him for a multi-visibility study which was approved by the ICC, the Investment Coordinating Council of the Netherlands. So, para ma-agenda, kinahanglan consent sa Presidente, ma-appeal sa Leader Board, and then when I was consent, I presented him dito sa Malacanang in our meeting, and that time, nahitabong sa ako, nahitabong sa Mama Sapano incident, and he called this as, okay, we will have to approve it. Nilagyan niya ng marginal part of the Leader Board agenda, as he called it as a bridge of peace. Now, under the administration of President Popo, so realized that, and this is also a good infrastructure sa iyahang program na atong ginasuportahan ang bagong Pilipinas. services of the government closer to the people. And this Panguil Bay Bridge provides shipping routes, access and bringing the services to our people here in Misamis Occidental. And of course, with our essential mission, this will also more or less help us realize with our 5 aims development. This bridge, this will hasten our goal na Misamis no, Panguil, Lanao, Malambuon, o Malitayo. And we will be thanking the people we have here in Chile who also sacrifice. He is not from here, but he has to stay here in order to oversee, as he the project management team of the DPWH and oversee the implementation of this, including Mr. Mike or consultant.
Actually, we could not wait for the completion of this project. We're excited that can with the government. Sir, your final thought?
Yeah,
If you may.
we thank you for the cooperation at pati si Governor Panaya na tinagin. Nalaki po siya yung
Makulit ba? Makulit? Sobrang kulit?
kaya nga sir yung MMT namin.
Oh.
Very precise yung instruction niya.
Ayun na nga kanina, no? Medyo on point eh.
Kaya thank you sir na napirma rin ang last. Kaya yun ang palang hinahanap sa TPA. Thank you sir sa order. Siyempre, medyo bakit na naman yung maritime business sa ilalim kasi marami kasi natapos kami may babi-babi kaya may maritime companies so sila yung magtatapos sa amin sa business nyo pag-libit pag-ibig na sila para maganda sila delikado na sila
Simplify ko lang yung sakto to safety ko yun.
kasi 75 meter then sa araw kaya pinupos ko namin sa kontrako sa
Tuloy-tuloy.
para mas mapabilis kasi medyo
Kaya schedule pa rin.
hanggang pari ka mas gusto natin tayo ahead
Ahead to schedule.
isa kasi mayroon ding circumstances mayroon din na-encounter na challenges
Pero okay naman din si Gov doon sa explanation niya.
And one good thing, in the implementation, all aspects of the laws are being assessed, including that of the environmental. We discussed on compliance, on the approved environmental compliance granted by the so everything has been addressed. So at least the duty why we have this consultant as a project manager office. Okay, so
Sir, your assurance to the people come August.
well, that was the assurance of our contractor, Mr. K over there, no? And nakita naman ako na sincere.
They are working.
The logistics are there. That despite some major problem that they reported in the earlier part, sa ilahan sa contractor, but still, they are able to go on course. Humangit yun.
Sir, gamay lang, one point. As economist as you are, epic na naman na trabaho ng mga tao na gilihok niya.
This is the GDP here in
Misamis Occidental.
Sa services sector, na ang atong mga
Katawan.
katawan.